Are you looking for the best hair transplant clinic in Ireland but you don't know where to start? With so many clinics and methods, it's easy to get lost and confused, especially as there's also a great spread between clinics. You can often find differences of 3, 4 or even 5,000 euros in case of surgery involving 5,000 hairs. Hi, I'm János from HairPalace Hair Clinic, and as a patient coordinator I have accompanied the treatment of more than 1,500 patients in the past 5 years. But this video is not about HairPalace. We are here to help you find the top 5 clinics in Ireland. Our ranking is based on customer reviews, and we prioritize clinics with the most 5-star reviews on Google. We will cover everything from methods to prices. You will not only know which clinic is the best, but you will also get a better idea of where you can get the best value for your money. So without further ado, let's take a look at the best clinics in Ireland. The number 1 spot goes to the Premier Hair Restoration Clinic. Alongside its FUE hair restoration technique, they also offer laser hair growth therapy, SMP and trichological treatment. They have a nearly perfect 4.9 rating out of 5 stars, which is based on 214 reviews. Treatments may cost anywhere between 7,200 and 10,500 euros. At number 2, we have the Aylesbury Hair Clinic. Aylesbury Hair Clinic treats patients with a unique process. A combination of aesthetic hair integration or AHI, PRP and laser light rejuvenation reinforces the follicles following the surgery. They have a nearly perfect rating of 4.9 stars based on 147 reviews. Prices vary between 7,500 and 12,500 euros based on the type of procedure. Third on our list is Hair Restoration Blackrock. HRBR's treatments portfolio includes hair transplant surgery, repair work, scar cover-ups and minoxidil treatments. This clinic has received a 4.3-star rating based on 37 reviews. Treatment costs start at 9,000 euros and may reach as much as 14,000 euros. At number 4, we have the Dr. Andre Nell Hair Restoration Clinic. Dr. Nell specializes in FUE, FUT and a combination of both techniques. Eyebrow transplants, beard transplants and scalp micropigmentation are also available. Dr. Nell performs all consultations and procedures himself. The clinic boasts excellent reviews, sitting at 4.8 stars based on 21 reviews. They are on the slightly cheaper side of clinics, with treatments costing between 6,000 and 10,000 euros. The number 5th spot is occupied by no other than the Beacon Hair Restoration Clinic. Beacon Hair Restoration Clinic provides patients with FUE transplants as well as beard and eyebrow restoration. The clinic has a rating of 4 stars based on 20 customer reviews. Prices can vary, but you can normally expect to pay between 7,000 and 12,500 euros. Which clinic should you choose? Based on our research, the Premier Hair Restoration Clinic is most likely the best choice for a hair transplant in Ireland. Based on the reviews, this clinic is nearly perfect when it comes to the customer care and satisfaction. With more than 200 positive reviews, you can be sure you are in capable hands. Additionally, they are very fairly priced compared to other clinics in Ireland. With a price range of 7,200 and 10,500 euros, they are fairly average when it comes to the costs. While this might be considered cheap within Ireland, their treatments still cost more than what most people can afford to pay. If you find the price of 10,000 euros a little excessive for a hair transplant, you have no reason to panic. You can get much better deals on high-quality treatments in Hungary. Hungary is a member of the EU, which means that the private healthcare sector adheres to the highest international standards. However, the cost of living is much lower than in Ireland, and thanks to this, you can save up to 70% on your hair transplant. When it comes to choosing a clinic abroad, we advise you to base your decision on Google reviews of previous patients. Based on Google reviews, HairPalace is the best hair clinic in Hungary in 2023. HairPalace specializes in FUE method, and our biggest package involving the implantation of 5,000 hairs costs only 2,500 euros. With the help of HairPalace, you can save 4 or even 6,000 euros compared to Irish prices. And you also get a warranty for your implanted hairs. Do you want to save thousands of euros on your hair transplant? You can get in touch with a member of our friendly team and schedule a consultation today through the link in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel. We post new videos every week, so you can learn more about hair restoration methods that can help you overcome hair loss once and for all. Thank you for watching.